Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be cleaning out my skincare collection. But not only that, I'm also going to be cleaning and organizing my makeup and jewelry drawers. If you're interested in seeing me clean out my skincare, makeup, and jewelry collection, grab yourself a drink or maybe even a snack and keep on watching this video. The first thing to do is to clear everything out. The thing is that it's not just my skincare that's here, it's also like my hair care products as well, plus some other random bits and bobs. Like I got nail polish here, I got my swimming cap in here as well. So much stuff. My trusty mirror, you guys can see yourself. That's you guys right there. Okay, all cleaned out. I am gonna get actually some kitchen roll and some spray so I can clean this up. Minutes of scrubbing. It is now clean. We are at the point where I need to figure out where all of this is going to go. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff that needs to fit into this little space right here. How I like to do it and how I imagine other people like to organize their stuff is that they put the stuff that they use the most in front and then things they don't use most often at the back. And that's simply how I'm going to do it. First, going to start with hair products because I don't know if you guys can see, I don't got much hair. Hair products, especially things like, especially things like the cancer curling cream will go into the back. Anything that has to do with like curling or styling is gonna go into the back because I don't got any hair to curl or style. That includes this hairspray. I mostly use this hairspray for cosplay wigs. It's the Head Funk Extreme Gel Spray. It doesn't work like that at all. It's just okay. The hold is quite mild, it's not extreme. I have the Mega Growth Oil here, and actually this is going to sit in front along with the Sheer Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. Even though I don't have much hair, I do moisturize and I do put a little bit of oil on it. Something that I'm not even sure I'm gonna keep, now that I'm thinking about it, is this perfume. If you watched my video from last year where I got a custom perfume made by Pro Fragrance, after the videos went up, he was really happy with like me, Ladies, and like everybody's videos, so he gifted us perfume. Customized them and I'm so appreciative. Like I have never received a custom perfume in my entire life and this was so amazing. Go watch my video and go check them out to get your own custom made perfume. Highly recommend it. It's an amazing gift for anybody. One sat on my drawer that we're gonna go to after we're done with this section, and then one sat in my wardrobe. This is the color of the one that sat on my drawer, and this is the color of the one that sat in my wardrobe. The same thing, different storage condition. This absolutely makes no sense. Like, it's crazy. I even thought that keeping it in a wardrobe, in a dark place away from the sun would do it better, but look at this. This is so weird. Should I keep this? Should I not? I'm gonna remove it from the wardrobe and just keep it like on my drawer. You guys that are perfume experts, let me know. So I have a lot of hair bands, all this hair stuff, and no hair. Ooh, that actually feels nice on my head. Ooh. Big question is, what am I gonna do with all this stuff? I need something that can hold all this stuff. I just don't want to have it laid about. This is me trying to figure out how to store all the stuff that I'm not using right now. That can be there, and maybe this can be in the back like this. Yeah, okay. Ooh, that works. That actually works. I figured it out. All my bands, all of this, and just put them here. Now for these ones, these are so pretty, so pretty. I got them from Satin Neode Satin. I don't remember the name. I'm gonna put these poofs right here. I got these three at ShopRite. All right, y'all, this looks so cute. That actually looks like a decoration. I need to figure out where the swim cap is going to go. Now I usually don't swim with the swim cap, but certain locations won't allow you to swim with your bare head. They need you to wear a swim cap. I'm just gonna put it here. I don't like that location, honestly. And I'm gonna tuck it right here. Okay, now this is falling apart. There we go. Okay, sitting nicely. So the swim cap is tucked right back there. Oh shit, I still have more hair bands. I have a lot of hair bands. Bim, bum, 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 bum. To the next, to the each man. Oh. I got this from a hotel I went to last year. Shower gel body lotion. Shower gel should go into the bathroom. This cute little body lotion is going into the back right here because honestly, it'll be a while before I'll need to use that sort of body lotion. I got cotton, got plenty of them. These are cotton pads. These are just like cotton mounds. Then I'm gonna stick them in the back. Like so. Found another hairband. At least if anyone comes over and they're like, oh my god, I need a hairband, I got plenty for them to use. We are slowly coming to the products I use a lot. This is the Banish Fighter Gel, calms breakouts and eczema. This is like a spot treatment for me, and we thank the gods of skincare that I've not had a lot of breakouts recently. This is a sample of a hair dye that I got, and I used it and the color didn't really slap like that, so I didn't use it again. Maybe I'll try again now that my hair is low and it could be better. Speaking of hair dye, I have these two hair dye products from CurlFit. If you watch my Death to December vlog, you would have seen me use this one for my Fubuki cosplay. And this is the blondish goldish one I bought even earlier than this one. Never got to use it because when I sampled it, it didn't really like slap the way I wanted. But now that my hair is, you know, really low, it could really show. So I'm gonna keep these kind of here. I wonder, should makeup wipes go in here or should they go where my makeup goes? I think it'll be better here. I'm gonna put these right here. Yeah, this makes sense. So we have the cotton wool on this side and we have the makeup wipes here. I have not used any of these masks in a while. These are from Miniso. Miniso once in a while has like a bunch of masks on sale and I love them. I think these masks should go here. This is my jade roller. I use it on the nights that I know my skin needs a little lift. Actually in my mid-30s, I'm going to be needing to use this a lot because I can already feel like my cheeks kind of sagging. You know what? I'm gonna leave it out because I don't have a particular place I want to put that yet. But let me leave that right there. First thing I'm gonna put in is the Nivea. Take a vent my brain. Nivea Radiant Beauty Advanced Care Body Lotion. This one is really thick. Has 5 different types of oil, including avocado oil. My body likes avocados, my insides not that much. I don't like the taste of avocado. And believe me, I have tried it all. I've made it in several different ways. I've done avocado toast, I've done just plain guacamole, I've had it with eggs, I've had it with all sorts of things. Tacos, burritos, and it's just not my vibe. This micellar water is actually quite done. I don't know why I'm holding on to it. Bye! These are my sunscreens. This is my body sunscreen and this is my face sunscreen. I use this when I'm going swimming and I use this in my daily skincare routine. These are my toners, my handy dandy toners that keep my skin hydrated and clear. I'm gonna organize them according to their heights right here. My daytime moisturizer is one that I feel like a lot of people have seen before and know. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the new one, which is like the one I haven't used, in this corner right here. As a girl in her 30s, retinol is becoming a very important thing. Put that there, put this here, and then I'm gonna keep my face oil here. This is a tiny baby version of Vaseline, which is actually empty. I replaced it, whoops, with this big boy right here. Vaseline is gonna go right here. I'm gonna move this. I put the hair color on top of the moisturizer, but I'm gonna put it in the back. My nighttime moisturizer, it's a little short king. We're gonna keep it here. I think I'll put this. Yeah. That works. All right, the rest of the stuff here is kind of easy stuff. These are fake tattoos I got for a Halloween look I did. Never used the tattoos because I couldn't find them when I needed them. I'm gonna keep them in the back here so I can always see them in case I'm looking for fake tattoos. I have my jade roller and that is simply just gonna go back here. I have a nail file that's just gonna sit right there. I have edge control. What edges? I have nail polish for the days I'm feeling cheeky and I want to do my own nails. That's just gonna go in the back. That is all done, almost done. Last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my mirror right here. And now this is all nice and organized. Before we get into the drawers, we need to clean the surface. It's not really dirty, but there are a couple of stains on this. This is all clean. We're done with the top. Now it's time to get into the bottom. We're starting off in the makeup drawer. I have this use your shake container that I keep my lip products in, and then I have my stuff just kind of splayed about. Let's empty everything out here and clean everything, because we got lipstick, we got shredded stuff. This drawer is finally nice and clean. Also, what else is nice and clean is my lipstick container. The first thing I'm going to be putting back in my drawer are my eyeshadow palettes. I love the Zaron and the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to put that in this corner right here. Also, a huge fan of the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes. So that is also going to be going in there. These are my favorite face powders, the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powders. Gonna go right here. I have my highlighters and I have my blushes, and those will go on top of the powders. I also have these smaller palettes that are just gonna go right on top right here. This Zaron powder is so nice, but it is basically done, so gonna be throwing that away. So these are my eyeliners. I have some colorful ones. I have one white, I have a gold one, and then I have a liquid black. Do need a pencil black liner. These will go right here inside this little corner between these two palettes. These are my liquids. So I have my concealer, I have my primer, I have my liquid highlighter, my liquid blush, and I also have my color corrector. These will go up here. You know what? I've changed my mind. They are gonna go in here, because what I'm gonna do is I am going to store my foundations and my lipsticks in the same box. I don't have a huge lipstick collection that it's gonna take this entire container. Like, this is quite a big container, so everything is going to fit here: concealers, liquid products, foundations, and lipsticks. My mascara is also going to go where the eyeliners are going. These are my complexion products. I currently have these three foundations: the Chanel, Juvia's Place, and the Dior. It's going to go in there, and then my setting spray is also going to go in there as well. I do want to put my foundations on a stand similar to the way my perfumes are, but until I fix this drawer, I will not put that there. Got some eyelash glue. It's going to go where other eye stuff is. This is the entirety of my lipstick, lip gloss, lip liner collection. I need more. I'm going to put them together here. I think these guys can be friends for a little bit. The last items I'm going to be adding to this drawer are my glitters and my stick-ons. I'm going to be keeping them in this little nook right here. I can still see them, but they're in the back. This drawer is all done, all nice and neat and arranged. And I'm just going to close that up. Our drawer is nice and clean. Now let's start putting back some stuff. First thing I'm gonna put back is the jewelry box, and I'm just gonna lay out the jewelry just on top like that. Then I'm gonna add my box in there, because the stuff in there is already arranged, so I don't need to do any extra arranging for that. Put my precious gold holding little case in here as well. My motivational little notes will go, actually maybe they'll go here. Yeah, contacts will go, I don't know, let them go up here. Yeah, so this drawer holds my jewelry, and it also holds stuff that I pick right before I'm headed out. So like my lights, compact, hand creams, more lights, my sunglasses. This is the tripod I take everywhere I go for events. I'm gonna put these pins here. These batteries are not gonna sit here, they're gonna sit in my wardrobe. I'm gonna keep my passports photos here. Then I'm gonna keep this wonderful neck bracelet just right here. Extra waist beads I have will go here. Yeah. Hair accessories, I'll put them in there. My other pin will go here as well. Contact solution will go where the other contacts are. And that's pretty much it for this drawer, I will say. To finish this off, I'm gonna just put this towel in here. This is my makeup towel. This is a towel that I keep around when I'm doing my makeup. And yeah, that's it. We are done. And that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for joining me as I cleaned and organized my skincare, makeup, and my jewelry drawers. I really appreciate it. Please do not forget to organize, yes, the subscribe button so you can join my family here on YouTube. Also, do not forget to dust the notification bell so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Do not forget to put back the like button, yes, so you can tell YouTube and the algorithm that you like this video and you should recommend this video to other people as well. Do not forget to be awesome, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!